Yeah, y'all better run. Back. Didn't even plan to come out and go and take the Cedric for a ride, but I figure why not. The day looks like it's gonna be all right outside. Well, I'm saying like it's gonna be all right. This was it like 7:40 p.m. You know I'm wildin'. Get that. Now where is that damn thing at? Where'd I put it? Now I'm looking for the FM transmitter. Did I just leave it in the car? I probably just left it in there. If I didn't, I won't have any music, which would be trash. But say it was copyright. Because knowing me, I have one copyright strike. And it's for instrumental for one of the songs I was like trying to work on. It was Tone Jones. And I got that strike and I was like, there's no way. Hold on. I got some grease on the lens again. This is gonna be like a video occurrence. Yeah. But yeah, I got a copyright strike for a song that I was working on. I was like, oh, and it's in the door too. Wow. I basically have my portable charger hooked up to my phone, and the cord it's kind of long. It didn't fit in my pocket completely, so it was hanging out of the door. That's cool. Oh, these windows down. Look, actually, I just want to pop this sunroof. Like I said, I'm terrible at doing reviews on cars. Like I've said many a times. Once you see the old videos, right now I'm going to be going completely out of order. I'm going completely out of order. Put emphasis on that because the videos you're seeing right now should have happened a long time ago. But like I said, I was going through some things, but I really missed that car. And I seen it recently. I should show. No, I'm not gonna show any pictures of the guy who bought it from. Was it Copart? I think Copart came and got it. Cause I go through Haggerty for my was it the Mustang, the '87 Maxima, and the Cedric. I did for the Glory as well, which is not bad. If you got a chance to go, like for a lot of the import cars, they say I think State Farm does it, but Haggerty does it too. The only thing is, make sure you value your car at a value of like the parts into it. Like they'll look up like what it will cost for a '92 Nissan Gloria if you go get it from one of those like those auction places if you do it yourself. I bought my car from Drivers Motorsports, so I paid for them to go through the car and to get it to me like in a really clean, pristine like condition. So I didn't pay that $6,000. I paid $14,000. Like the cars aren't that bad. They're going up in price now. Now my car is around $16,500 right now if I want to get the same car. Yeah, so it is what it is on that point. That man is driving crazy. He gonna look at me, bruh. Pay attention to the road, John. I know I'm holding up a GoPro, but I've done this before, and I'm not bad at driving like some people. I want to pull up on him so bad. That dude, it's a guy that lives over there with a Miata that is stanced out. It looks cool. I want to pull up on him, but I'm not gonna bug him like that. I see him. He works at Advanced Auto Parts, so he only lives like what, 4 blocks away from his job. I wouldn't even drive that far. I just walk it out. Plus, I know he has to be crying getting that stance car up. Just look, I'll show you the driveway he has to get that thing up. You know, that thing is sitting low too, so I would not want to go up that driveway in that damn Miata. But yeah, he does that. Well, I was getting back to the point of not knowing if I was gonna go ahead and drive today. I had lost my thought because this guy was riding my cheeks for a second. Like, bro, give me some space. But yeah, kind of deciding on whether or not I want to, Lord have mercy. Well, while we here, might as well talk about some things. The train's coming. I'm gonna roll these windows up so y'all don't hear all this. All right, so I was kind of debating. I kind of lost track of what I was doing at the beginning. I wish y'all can like put in the comments like real time, like, yeah, this is what you were talking about at first. But here's the thing. I'm still debating on what I want to do for content. Damn, that's loud. Because the inside of this 430 is almost like Rolls Royce tight. We can still hear it in the background, but it's not as bad as when I had that cracked a little bit. But I've been thinking about doing like some stuff right now since I'm in transit between going back and forth to Vegas and getting rid of cars. I could walk through those cars, but I also I met a couple of cool people from the car meet, and I've been thinking about kind of like not interviewing or whatever. You can do whatever, going by and just like check it out in their bills, which are like simple bills, but it's still fun to see who's doing what across the country as far as like car bills go. And even in a little town like, or a little city like La Crosse or the surrounding stuff like that, just get a hold of them real quick. I'll be here for another 20 something more days and stuff, so I have time. I can just compile a bunch of footage and video and put it in a folder, and then as I go, just like now, kind of give you pieces of whatever I got and upload it. Right now, this is for fun. I'm hoping everybody is enjoying what they see. I know it's just me right now in front of the GoPro, not doing much. You can't really do road racing around here. You can't do a lot of that stuff. Plus, I own a bunch of slow cars, so it's really, but I don't drive stance cars. I'm in the fitment culture and stuff like that, but I like all of it, man. I don't disrespect anyone else's build because it takes money, time, and effort and vision to put a lot of money in a lot of those bills. So taste is, it's a preference. Everybody's not gonna have a universal build. No one's gonna be like, for sure, your Skyline is the most beautiful car in the world. Everybody's gonna have their subjective opinions on that stuff like that. I mean, yeah, so I think it's objective, but whatever. I'm sitting there looking at, all right. I thought I was gonna make this before that train came. I was so disappointed in myself and not just gunning it over the tracks. That shit some big titties, son. All right, don't mind me. I be seeing things, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna go a lot of places. I'm gonna try to do something different when it comes to the content on this channel. I might mix it up since it is about wheels in general. Like I said, it could be, I think I've brought this up in other videos that I did not publish. It could be about scooters and other things of that nature. Damn, she was jogging all out in the street. Jeez. Man, if you running, like, I understand you want to run towards traffic, but run closer to the curb, man. You like, she thought she was a whole car or a bike out here in these streets. But yeah, I want to mix it up and do something. You always want to get that color commentary from me on the side when I'm like looking at stuff. I'm on my way to pick up the Cedric. So, but yeah, I'll mix it up. Like I said, I wish I would have gone through and did the Gloria. My friend Eric has the actual footage from when he did do a walkthrough on my Gloria. Opened the doors up, went through, seen under the under the hood and everything. It was stock, so it wasn't like you're about to see something like incredible. Like you weren't gonna see no turbos or nothing, no polished parts under there. It was just a pristine. It was like a really good condition VG30, naturally aspirated, no turbos. Whole 100 and whatever horse that thing came with stock. I think I might be giving it the wrong numbers. I think it was 180. I think I was quoted as saying that. I think that might have been the Ultima, like the whole turbo one. So it's probably less for the regular. It's probably like 130, 140-ish. I want to say that, about 140-ish or something like that. Like, I know my maximum, someone said, yo, the 5-speed for the 87 was quick. Dog, it was 118 horse. I guess for 87, 118 horse was alright, but when people say that to me, I'm like, it was the 5-speed was quick. I was like, yeah, people. I'm on Tumblr as well, doing car content as well as Instagram. So subscribe, or not subscribe, but go follow me in those those apps or anything like that if you are on those apps, but don't like go sign up for those apps if you don't have to. I want to make you do extra work just to follow me on something. You can just see a lot of stuff on YouTube. But let me turn this off real quick and get to the Cedric. With that being said, hey man, like when you have a car and stuff like that, you should try to get roadhead, man. It's awesome. Yeah, like I was saying, when you do, I'm just messing with y'all. You can't even really do it nowadays because most cars don't even have bench seats anymore. So it'd be like, I don't know, you gotta get your old school. Hey, shot all day. All right, let's see. I always lock the door. I heard they're going around trying to steal cars. I don't know if they were trying to steal garages or not. I was like, just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and lock my doors. I did leave it in there. We're safe. The FM transmitter is in there, so I won't be listening to the sounds of goofiness. All right. Let's see how this thing starts up. Yeah, that thing's on. It hates me. All right. It does that for like 10 seconds and stops. I don't know what that is. I don't know if my belts needs a little lube. Hey, you know what I mean? You know I enjoy getting it wet. Don't mind me, y'all. Uh-oh, I hear something playing. It's not me though. All right, sexy lights. That's the only thing I can say about this car. It has unique, both of the cars I had unique lighting things going on. So let me get this thing ready. I might pull off somewhere and walk around this car while I'm doing whatever. Yeah, check. I put spacers on the front, which I know a lot of people hate spacers, but hey man, the fitment was bothering me. If you ever subscribe to like my Instagram, not Instagram, I'm gonna subscribe to my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, you will see how my fitment was like about a month or two ago before I ordered those. Whatever, I can't get it off. I don't care. Pause. And the rain did hit this thing, but it still looks clean. I thought it'd be extra dirty and I'd have to wipe stuff. No, it's not too bad. Huh. Surprise, surprise. Got my... Alright. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I made the magic happen in this garage before. I'm just kidding. With somebody's mom. Anyway, so there you are. I'm sitting there, lost in thought, forgetting my keys and stuff. I have to pull out, but I never normally pull out facts. All right, so that's just me giving that wild extra commentary. Let me pull this thing out. What's that? Okay. Alright. Last time I was driving, I had cardboard under the car, so I was like, there's rear wheel drive, so why the hell is the front cardboard moving like that? I'll take it out for a little spin. Have some fun with it. Like, man, I try to have as much fun with these cars as possible, man. A lot of people just don't want to baby their cars, let them sit. I can see if you got like a numbers matching like rare, only a limited amount of numbers and stuff like that, but you gotta enjoy what you can while you can. That guy's always pulling out when I'm here and then looking at me like, yeah, we're brothers, Nissan brothers. No, we're not, man. You drive a baby mama Altima. We are not the same. Just kidding. Anybody driving Altimas, please don't hit the dislike button. I was just joking though. It's like, no, hit that button, man. I don't even care. It is what it is. The back of this thing dusty anyway, so let me wipe it off real quick. Not like it really makes a difference. It really doesn't, but I'm gonna wipe it anyway. Just because I don't want them to catch me slipping out here in these streets. I'm sitting there taping, recording all this. I said tape, like it's the 80s and shit. You guys taping me? Alright. All that water kick up from the rain. Yeah. She's alright. Let me get my boot scoot buggy in here. Man, if you date skinny girls, man, go ahead and get you a big girl, man. Tastes delicious.